guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm so happy to say that I've partnered with FabFitFun to bring you their spring box. I'm so excited. I loved their winter box. It was beyond wonderful. They sent me this, and the box is really pretty. It's all about women this month. Let me give you some information on it. It's $49.99. It is a subscription box, and it's a seasonal box, so it comes to you 4 times a year. So it's basically like getting Christmas in the mail, a surprise Christmas present 4 times a year, which I love. And as I'm unboxing this, I haven't really been in it good. I just took a sneak peek. These are all my impressions. I wasn't paid to say anything. I may like some things and not like some things, but this is my true, honest opinion, and I'm so excited. So the spring box was just released, and this is going to contain lifestyle, beauty, fashion, jewelry, wellness, anything like that. And so I have a coupon code. I almost forgot. It's Magnolia, and I'll have the link to order it and the coupon code in the description box below. And it is Magnolia, and you can get $10 off your first subscription to FabFitFun. So that's a good deal, and like I said, it is $49.99. This way, they sort of help you get ready for spring and what's about to happen, because they have kind of like their hand on the pulse of what's going to be new and in for spring. So let me show you. Okay, first, this is really good. I've never tried HelloFresh. It looks very interesting. They do all of the shopping for you and send you very fresh products, so I think that's a good idea. But with this little coupon, you can get $50 off your first 2 boxes and get free shipping. So that's a good thing in itself right there. And then they always have this little magazine about FabFitFun, and like I said, this box is dedicated to women. They do a lot of good causes. They support a lot of really nice causes, and this is all about empowering women, which I think is really good. And it also will tell you about the items that you got in your box and how much they are. So let's get into it. I'm excited. Okay, alright, first thing here is this Ish Statement Palette. Now this retails for $42, and I'm pretty sure that I heard that a YouTuber collaborated with them to make this. So let's see what this looks like. It's a really sleek little palette, and it comes with a little brush. Oh, I love those colors. They're very nice. Look at that. And it has, like I said, it has a little brush. Let's see what some of these colors look like. Oh, they're very creamy. I'll do some swatching. Oh, that's beautiful. I really like, now this is just a clear gloss that they have, this other one. Let's try this one and see what this is. Oh, that's pretty too. Well, while we're at it, let's just, oh, that is pretty. I'm liking them all. But I love makeup. Okay, and then we'll come over here and we'll swatch that one. Oh, a bunch of really beautiful colors. I won't swatch them all, I'm running out of room. But as you can see, they're beautiful colors for spring. And I will tell you, they're very creamy. They feel like they would be very blendable. So I like that. You could just throw that in your pocket and go. Now these are Etika little tassel earrings. They're called Daydreamer tassel earrings. And I have seen that tassels are all the rage for spring and summer. So I guess this is their way of getting us ready for that. I don't know if I'm really a big tassel person. I guess I could try it on and we could see what we think. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I put them on. This is something I would not have bought myself, but I kind of like them. I don't really like them with this shirt. I can see them with a pretty white t-shirt and some jeans, you know, that are distressed. I think that would be a cute look. I think it's a little over the top with a shirt. These are supposedly $58, and they come in pink too, as well as the black. Okay, let's see what else we have. Oh, now this looks nice. Rachel Pally. Let's see what this says. This is reversible clutch, and it comes in Bloom, Zahara, or Paradise. This is valued at $60. So, and I did find out that everything in this box is well over $300. They say that it's valued as. Let me put this up just a little bit. Valued at $300. Oh, I love this. Look at this. Can you imagine if you wanted, like you had something like I do today, really bright on, you could just wear it like this, and this is very soft. I love it. Or if you just have a white t-shirt and you want to give it some color, you could do it like this, and I think that would be adorable. So let's open it up. I love the little tassel. Oh my gosh, it is so nice. And look at this inside. I don't know if you can see, but it actually has a pouch down in there. I don't know if you can see that really good. And it's very deep. I love that. And like I said, you can carry it this way, or you can carry it like this. I think this is a win. I do love this. Let me see what it says about this one over in here. She says that she normally designs colorful shirts, but she wanted to do, she's very print driven in how she designs, but she could see this, like I said, with just a basic t-shirt and jeans. So I do love this. Okay, so far I'm liking this. This is kind of different for me, out of my comfort zone, but I'm liking everything else. Okay, and what is this? With love from Texas. Free People. Okay, it's an eye mask. It's a Free People understated leather starry-eyed travel eye mask. Ooh, it's very squishy. And it says this vegan leather eye mask features a removable, non-toxic cooling insert to keep you feeling and looking refreshed. So you can put this, it opens up right here, and this is an adjustable eye strap. And I love the color I got. But it's this little gel cooling thing, and you can put it in the freezer for about an hour, pop it on your eyes, and I would say that it depuffs everything. I think that would be cute. Let's see. Adjustable strap offers perfect fit every time. Charming metallic patchwork helps keep you dreaming almost into the stars. It is really cute. I mean, you might as well be fashionable while you're depuffing. And this is $40, and it does feel really nice. Okay, now this, Murad, I know this is a good product. I have seen this before. I really do like this stuff. This is the Skin Perfecting Lotion, and it will hydrate your skin. This right here is $40, and I know it's a high-end brand, and these are all full-size samples. Well, they're not samples, they're full-size items that's in this box, which I liked as well. And it says Skin Perfecting Lotion, yes please. This ultra-light, oil-free moisturizer helps sensitive skins, like if you break out with blemishes, you can use that, or well, if you just have oily or very dry skin, you can use it. And it minimizes the appearance of pores, refines texture, and soothes redness and irritation. I really need that because I'm getting some large pores over my nose. So let's see what that's like. And you can see it just comes out of the little lotion. Ooh, it's very, very soft. Oh, your hands feel so good. You can see where I had a little bit of that lipstick still on there, so it does stay. Oh, and it kind of has a minty, like a spa smell, so I like that. I really do like that. All right, let's see here. Now, Korres. This is another thing I have purchased. I love Korres body butters. Oh, I love them. And this is the Guava body butter. I love this. Now this can be very pricey. Like I said, I have bought them. This is $24, and it has a lot of natural ingredients in it, and it doesn't have a lot of parabens or things like that. It's very good for your skin, and like I said, I've used it before. I was just telling my husband the other day I need to go get me some more body butter. You can see it comes out like that. Oh, it's very smoothing to the skin. Oh my gosh. This is like you're on a beach and there's a lot of wonderful smells like flowers, coconut. Love the guava body butter. I haven't tried the guava like I said, but I really do like that. That is a total win for me. They say this is the most epic box they've ever had, and they may be right. Now this is a #1, and it's a candle, and it's in Manhattan Beach. Okay, so let's see how much this candle goes for. It's Anderson Lily. Oh, and look how pretty. It's in like this rose gold little container. Oh my gosh. It's Anderson Lily Sunset Collection Candle in Manhattan Beach, and I believe that's what I said I had. Oh, it is. Or you can get it in Fresh Linen or Super Bloom, and it's regular $45. And it's made with hand-poured coconut wax and a cotton lead-free wick, which is really good. Oh, they say it's very calming, and that, oh my gosh, I love it. So far, I'm really liking this, guys, seriously. Alright, and then this is, what is this? It's for your nails. Dermalect Cosmeceuticals, and it's a makeover concealing ridge filler for your nails. You know, like we kind of have to do our face, you know, put primer and things on it. And it's in this really pretty color. I'm going to enjoy that because my nails do have some ridges in it. And it makes sense. They say that if you want a really good lasting nail polish, you know, to take the oil off your fingernails and then like you prime your face, prime your nails with this. Plus it gives it a really good color and it's healthy for them. And this is $18. So you've well already exceeded what the price was, okay? And this is Physique 57, and these handles are so cushy. I don't know if you can see. I mean, they're really cushy. It's not hard. And these are little massage rollers, and they come in gray, red, purple, or teal, and I got the gray. And these spikes look like they would hurt, but they really don't. I can imagine putting your feet on this after a long day and just rolling it on the floor. This is $20, and it says it works wonders for sore, aching muscles and improves your flexibility. And they say it breaks up scar tissue. I don't know anything about that, but I know it does feel good. I could see that being on my back, but really my feet. I love that. And then the last thing is just a little kind of like an extra that they put in here. It's Dove Exfoliating Body Wash. So I think I'm going to enjoy that. I haven't tried it, but Dove is very good for your skin. This is crushed macadamia and rice milk. Sounds wonderful. So you can see you definitely get your money's worth and then some. Like I said, I'll have all the information to order this spring box, which is fresh out. It's a new arrival, in the description box below, and I do have that coupon code Magnolia to give you $10 off your first box, and I'll put that down in the description box below. But I'm so happy, and I'd like to thank FabFitFun for partnering with me for this, and I really like this box too. I didn't know if I'd like it as well as the winter box, but I really do like it, and this Corez is great. And this Murad lotion is wonderful. So I can't say enough about the items that were in this box. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.